Upgrade your CNC laser engraving machine with the AENBUSLM 40W-80W Laser Cutting Module, a high-performance 450nm blue diode laser head designed for precision engraving, clean cutting, and professional woodworking applications. Built for makers, engineers, woodworkers, small businesses, DIY enthusiasts, and professional workshops, this powerful laser module delivers exceptional performance while remaining compatible with a wide range of CNC laser engraving systems. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the AENBUSLM Laser Module and explore its advanced features, including high-power blue laser technology, integrated air assist, precision optics, durable aluminum alloy construction, and compatibility with both 12 volts and 24 volts CNC laser machines. Whether you're upgrading an existing laser engraver or building a custom CNC system, this laser head provides improved cutting performance, sharper engraving details, and greater efficiency across a variety of compatible materials. The 450nm blue diode laser is engineered to produce highly focused laser energy, allowing users to achieve fine engraving details, smooth cutting edges, and excellent accuracy for both hobby and professional applications. Key features: high-performance 40W-80W Laser Cutting Module, 450nm blue diode laser technology, professional CNC laser engraving head, precision laser cutting and engraving, built-in air assist system, compatible with CNC laser engraving machines. Woodworking Laser Module, supports 12 volts and 24 volts input voltage, high engraving precision, clean cutting performance, durable aluminum alloy construction, lightweight compact design, excellent heat dissipation, easy installation, CE certified, suitable for machine upgrades, reliable long-term operation, ideal for DIY workshops and professional fabrication. Compact dimensions: 45 x 35 x 145 mm. Ready for immediate installation. The integrated air assist system continuously directs airflow toward the cutting area, removing smoke, dust, and debris while reducing burn marks and improving cutting quality. Lightweight compact design, excellent heat dissipation, easy installation, CE certified, suitable for machine upgrades, reliable long-term operation, ideal for DIY workshops and professional fabrication. Compact dimensions: 45 x 35 x 145 mm. Ready for immediate installation. The integrated air assist system continuously directs airflow toward the cutting area, removing smoke, dust, and debris while reducing burn marks and improving cutting quality. Constructed from a combination of aluminum alloy and high-quality engineering plastics, the laser module offers excellent durability while maintaining a lightweight design that minimizes stress on CNC motion systems. Its compatibility with both 12 volts and 24 volts power systems allows easy integration into a wide range of desktop and professional CNC laser engraving machines, making it an excellent upgrade for existing equipment. Compatible materials: wood, plywood, MDF, bamboo, leather, acrylic, cardboard, paper, cork, rubber, fabric, painted metal, anodized aluminum, stainless steel, engraving on suitable surfaces, slate, ceramic, engraving with proper settings. Ideal applications: woodworking, custom logo engraving, personalized gifts, business branding, sign making, home decor, leather crafting, model making, arts and crafts, product customization, educational projects, small business production, CNC machine upgrades, DIY laser projects. Whether you're engraving detailed artwork, cutting intricate wooden designs, producing personalized products, or upgrading your CNC laser engraver for higher performance, the AENBUSLM 40W-80W Laser Cutting Module offers outstanding precision, reliability, and versatility for demanding creative and industrial applications. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in CNC laser engraving, woodworking tools, digital fabrication, maker technology, engineering equipment, and professional manufacturing solutions.